Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And what we have here, we believe it's a 73 Suzuki TS250 bottom end. We're kind of cleaning up just before spring here. And we're going to offer this for sale on our webpage. The rod feels nice. There's no twist at all. And no up and down play. The shaft looks good. The keyway looks good. I mean, I'm sure you'll want to go through it. It's definitely a rebuildable crank, and I think for an old enduro, this would be good enough to use as is. The cases are dirty, of course. This is all that we have at this time. I may have a chassis or something for this, but this is all we have at this time. And I think we've had some welding right here. It's definitely had some welding right there. But you got a good crankshaft. Probably the oil pump is probably okay. I'm sure it's got some good gears and a good clutch. So we're selling this as is. And if you look at the other side here, this cover looks like it's good. Shaft's not too bad. It is a little bit worn, but it's not too bad. Also, we've noticed that there was a note on this. The shifter shaft has been cut. So that's gooned. But all the bearings and everything feel good. The note that I'm reading with it says it shifts through all the gears. And the crank bearings feel good. So anyway, thanks for looking, and we're going to be offering this on our webpage for $125. Thank you.